to import cement. Thousands of staffs of IBETO's men were rendered jobless. When late President Umaru Yar'Adua succeeded Obasanjo, IBETO in July 2007 applied for import allocation and it was granted. Once again, he flooded the country with quality cement and the prices crashed. Dangote Cement PLC quickly filed a suit alleging that IBETO Cement Company is gaining undue advantage by the federal government. On its part, the federal government contended that Dangote Cement PLC is plotting to wipe out fair competition and create a monopoly in the industry and transform itself to the only cock that crows in Nigeria. But IBETO fortified terms of settlement which were entered as consent judgment in the suit.